sequels to that. There's like Baja Flash and like
So
Baja
because
Punch.
you know how we don't say bless you in the family, so
Yeah, it was like orange and yellow.
I can't hear these people talking.
Baja Flash.
the gremlins.
I started Clippers. It was only all
Yeah, go in
Okay.
between.
12 packs. It wasn't 6 packs like that.
That's what times out sometimes. When you
Yeah,
have
but for a long time it times out. It shuts off.
just keep clicking. Just keep clicking. Mentally kind of.
Okay, how about that?
Okay.
If it's blinking, make sure you
Hey.
hear the hearing sound.
Ready?
You can keep clicking.
I have a brand. Close it.
Ready?
Close the gap.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, do it again.
Hang on. It's going.
Keep going. The
Yeah.
mosquitoes killing you.
Okay.
All right, hold on.
Okay, text. Hear it, girl.
I had to have the brand in the photo. So
Sponsored. Hashtag.
Ready?
Baja Blast.
Yeah.
Baja Grad.
what does it look like? I wonder what it looks like without the label.
Yeah, it's like Power Rangers. Yeah.
Feel things
Well,
crawling
it's
on my
something
body.
I don't even care about. It's weird.
And what kind of shoes is that?
Oh, those are
Huh?
That's okay.
It's so weird because they got that
You
whole
can't see.
back for like 2.5 bucks.
Uh,
Yeah, it was insane.
let's come over here. No, just one side. This one. Yeah, right here.
Okay, line up right here. Take your spot.
Graduated? From what? I don't know. High school? Emo. Everybody graduates. You did though.
You didn't even open it yet.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
Why are you?
God.
I'm gonna drink it.
Yeah, in the next decade
Yeah,
or second.
an exotic drink that I've never seen before.
I can always go to Cub Foods and buy another one for $2.5.
Why don't you take the AP classes then? You should just take the regulars. I took it because I thought I was smart enough. Clearly I wasn't.
Recording me?
It's fucking hard. Exactly. That's why I stopped. Of all the AP classes that you had to
No.
chemistry. Now you could be smart. Oh man, I took like physical science. It was like science for the dumb. I should have been like AP biology. I heard that
It's
one.
sort of like
AP biology-
science
No, but that's when you get
container.
the duck. Oh, duck.
It's like something in a movie.
Yeah, wow. Already saw the future. Why is your diploma? Okay.
No, I would say my words
Because that's
differently
too
now.
long.
That's
You
like
try to do it in the rain.
seriously.
There's an echo if you scream.
Scream
Yeah,
this.
you didn't do AP biology because they were like,
Exactly.
you need to
Wait for Anna
have
to try to laugh.
A
Yeah.
biology.
Yeah. Their laugh
No,
is like
you
fucking
take
super
either.
soft.
Okay. Well,
You know, that's what they told me, and I was like,
Okay,
guys, I was not a prerequisite to bio. Guys.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Oh,
Okay.
there it is. Okay,
Okay.
turn it on.
Okay.
And then look at the camera. Don't look at the
Yeah,
camera.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anna?
You gotta keep doing your
Okay. How about one with the hats on?
hats. Oh. I was like,
Put it on.
Huh?
The hat.
just put the hats on and see.
Stupid.
Yeah, like a couple.
The baby.
Why didn't you like upload? Why didn't you print a picture of the baby and put on your hat?
I couldn't do that. They couldn't.
Why didn't you put the baby car or something?
I would. Yeah, the baby convertible.
You didn't tell them that.
Yeah. They didn't allow it
Your
because like
babysitter
they
fucking
said that like
hates
hold
you.
up. They said that if you put anything on your hat on your cap, they would give you a new one at your
Bad giving advice to
Sucked.
No, but I heard this cap's not staying on for long. You're giving advice to
Yeah,
the
it's not
parents.
fathers.
No, other kids. No, I'm just saying like, I just told
Okay.
them like what I do. You know, like try to get them to not hit each other when they're fucking angry. My God.
Ow.
Like, you know, like if you're gonna get angry,
Don't judge.
someone's driving by. No, I don't want them.
Okay. Ready? Ready?
Hold on,
I'm holding Brandon's diploma.
Are they driving? Oh my God, I don't know.
Do it. Don't do it.
Okay.
You're not
Hey.
gonna graduate ready right now.
Ready?
Yeah.
Look at the camera, okay?
We are.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Do it again.
Okay.
I know what's the
Okay. Hold on. Okay. One more.
Okay,
Okay.
hold on.
Bye-bye, you said one more. Bye-bye.
I know, but I gotta check the quality.
Always one more, Brady.
stank or stank?
One more after one more. It's infinite
Sorry.
Nice to meet you.
No, I was
wanna
playing
do
hide and
that.
seek with Sydney and then Deadass. I fell asleep on 10.
You fell asleep on what?
Okay, now get up closer. I want to see. Baby. Yep. Anna, get up.
Do a summer roll.
No!
When you're playing hide and seek, you count down from 10. I think I slept
Yeah,
like
I know.
8 for a little bit, and then I woke up at
Okay.
Yeah, true,
9.
Because I'm gonna.
They really got
Okay.
that Cambodia.
Wait, why are there white
Ten,
balls over there?
Those are balloons.
Those
remember?
balloons.
Yeah.
Baby.
They're like eggs.
Wow, look at these balloons.
Those two got that.
Okay, all right. Stay on that.
Okay.
What again? This one's
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
on my mind.
Never
I'm
All
trying
right.
to zoom it in a little bit, baby. Come here.
Okay.
Out of the way. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Anna, đặt hand down.
It's my fucking
Okay.
eyebrow, man.
Okay, chi.
Okay. That should be
That was
good.
like 5.
That was like 5.
Okay.
Well, because you gotta keep clicking it or you're gonna like mad.
That's fine.
Look at the biggest dude. Write it in a diary. Don't talk about
Okay.
it. Write it in a diary. Don't speak to me about it. Okay.
That's fine. Yeah, because I'm bringing up my last couple. Okay, stretch the top.